Red'll run the favourite, but been backing for the 8. They're all set. Racing, Growbrook Flyer, only come out midfield, out wide on the track. Yarramundi Henna won the break, goes to the early lead. Now settling second was Growbrook Flyer, but he got wide like he always does. And going through the centre there was Garney Lane with a run. Back on the inside was Salty Rain. Further back behind him, Power to Admit, Spring Runner, and the last one, Chevron Wren. They head into the back, and Yarramundi Henna in front. Garney Lane moving up stylishly on the outside. Couple of lengths away, Salty Rain, the kennel mate, dropping off Growbrook Flyer. He's got a bit to do from there. Garney Lane, Wren to the front on the corner. Yarramundi Henna still boxing on from Salty Rain, but there's still Garney Lane on the corner, and Garney Lane coming away. Second will go to Salty Rain, the kennel mate, on the line, just over Yarramundi Henna. Further back was the other one, Spring Runner, and Growbrook Flyer faded out of it. Further back was Power to Admit, and the last one in Chevron Wren, and the time good, about 36:30. Winner number 8, Garney Lane by Cosmic Rumble, led a Sweet Betty, owned and trained by Robert Littlefield of Shadford. Second will go to the Litter Brother and Kennel Mate, Salty Rain, number 2. And third will go to the 7, Yarramundi Henna, Bobby Boucher, Yarramundi Star for John Bowman of Wallerawang. 8, 2, 7 and 4, 5 1/4 by a neck. 36:26 that time amended to 36:26.